Willie says hello here for Craigie tonight. We're out campaigning in Craigie tonight. We're doing a bit of leafleting down there and so on, down further down there, and we're working our way up there, and I'm driving up through. And by the way, I'm hello to baby Lottie McDonald, one of our new followers, hopefully. So hello Lottie. Hope you start following me as soon as possible. Hope your mum's doing well and your dad's doing well. Anyway, I'm actually a wee plea for help here and support. The campaign's going great. The feedback I'm getting great feedback and great support. Right, so that's it's obvious the support you see I'm getting on social media, but I could do with some more helping out and doing the leaflet and so on. As you know, I'm an honest person, I'll tell you the truth. I'm kind of short on the foot soldiers to get the leaflets out, to get the message across there who I am. So any who want to volunteer in any of theirs, let me know and we'll get some leaflets to you to deliver and all that. And also we'll come do things like this. I'm going to do street out there talking to people and doing videos, talking to people like George here. And George, who are you going to vote for, George?
I'll be voting for you, Willie. I'm counting that.
George, a good friend, George, by the way, a good friend, by the way. And I mean that. So George, right, are you any questions you'd like to ask me?
Where is it you're from, Willie?
Well, that's a good question, George. Sometimes wonder where I'm from. I sometimes wonder where I'm from. No, but it's a serious question that he's asking. And if you see this sign up here, George, if you see the sign there, local resident, local candidate, local issues, right? You see this campaign that now there are 8 candidates. There are 8 candidates, right? There are 8 of us in this race to be proud to represent the residents of North Ayr. And let me assure you, out of the 8 candidates, there are only 2 of us, and I repeat, 2 of us that stay in North Ayr. I stay in Heathfield and Marchfield, 82 Marchfield Cordon, in case anybody, there it's there, that's where I stay. Right, 82 Marchfield Quadrant, right? And see, what I can't understand, local government is about local issues, right? Okay, local candidate, local resident, and that's what it's all about. And I can't work out how, no disrespect to their candidates, but if they stay away in Alloway, how are they regular contact to know what's happening in their ward? How do they know issues that's happening? How are they contacting on a regular basis, getting feedback for the local residents? It beggars belief. You need local candidate, local resident. So as your fingers in the pulse, you know what's happening. That's what I'm saying. And that's what I'm saying, George. You be able to contact me anytime and all that. And I know and you know what's going on in the ward. But does somebody from Alloway actually know what's going on out here? Does somebody from Prestwick know what's going on out here? No, they don't, because they're not in regular contact in the ward. And that's what I'm saying. Local resident, local candidate, local issues. 16th October, vote for Willie Hogg, your #1 choice. And I'll represent you, as I tell you, an honest candidate. And hi there, how you doing? There's somebody shouting at me already. You see, that's what I'm saying, the support I'm getting, it's tremendous. But as I say, we need the foot soldiers, folks. Get the leaflets out, spread the word and support Willie Hogg for North Ayr. George, tell them all. There they are, there the support. There we are.
Willie Hogg, North Ayr.
Thank you, I'll see you all later, folks.
Bye.